From minority shareholders Slipstream. Fill us in on some of the details here.
Well, Savannah has a present 75% shareholding in the Portuguese holding company, which wholly owns Mina de Barroso. So we've negotiated an arrangement with the 25% shareholder of the company to buy their shareholding for around about 9.1 million sterling to be satisfied by the issue of 163 million shares in Savannah Resources. So it's an all-share deal. And the interesting thing is that the shares that will be issued as the purchase consideration will all be subject to a 12-month escrow arrangement, and also subject after that to a further 9 months in which there's a requirement for an orderly market arrangement around any potential sale of the shares. So, we will continue to maintain a very sort of tight share register post this deal.
And this will give Slipstream a 16% shareholding in Savannah, will it?
Correct. So Slipstream will become the second largest shareholder in Savannah after the Al Marjan Group, which represents Omani interests.
9.1 million sterling for a 25% stake. Is that fair value for a quarter of the project, do you reckon?
I think so. We're buying it at a very, very deep discount to the sort of see-through net present value of the project. We had the net present value of the project assessed in a scoping study last year, and the post-tax NPV is about 184 million pounds. So buying a quarter of that for 9.1 million pounds is, we think, a very good deal on behalf of our shareholders.
And now, having sole ownership, David, the benefits to Savannah are what?
Well, it certainly means that we have sort of unitary ownership of the project, which is certainly useful. But I think more significantly, it sort of eliminates the previous arrangement where we were obligated to sort of pick up 100% of the expenses through to the conclusion of the feasibility study. Effectively, provides Slipstream with a free carried interest through to the end of the DFS. Now, of course, 100% of the expenditures that we will make will go 100% to our benefit.
And all on track as far as the feasibility and the decision to mine?
Yep, sort of moving forward, both with the EIA, which feeds into the definitive feasibility study, which moves into final investment decision, and we're looking for all three of those milestones to be achieved later this year.
And on the ground as we speak at the moment, David, still busy drilling, still looking to expand that resource?
Indeed. So, we're looking to the possibility of further resource upgrades later in the year. So, this is a resource that continues to expand, and already it's the largest spodumene lithium resource in Europe, and it's the largest and most significant conventional lithium project that's being developed in Europe at the moment. And of course, the spotlight just continues to be applied to the electric vehicle space in Europe, and we believe this project is going to be a real foundation stone for the development of a end-to-end lithium value chain in Europe.
Good to speak this morning, David. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Andrew.